you ought to see this. I'm a wizard. This put in the work of a vampire. Back in Germany, in Alice and all that, vampires were whispered in every part of the country. Some vampires called them in Germany, or the United States. Also agreeing with the other people. Vampires, there are no such things as vampires. I have to know these things. What's a vampire? Vampires are a person rising from the dead, drink blood of the living. Vampires, there are no such things. Next is family playing cross garlic. Water. Where more attacks were happening. More attacks were happening. You don't see the vampire. Nonsense. I am no vampire. How do you know about vampires? Vampires come from Bulgarian country. You came from Bulgaria. In Germany. You must be a vampire. The only way to stop a vampire is to drive a stake through his heart, like Frank Clark and time. Well, Sheriff had took my leave, and I just dropped my father to the ground. With a stake through his heart, and my mother was brought up in an institution. I decided, I'll get that vampire. I'll give him this last thing I do. I'll stop that vampire with a wooden stake to his heart. Really one person my father's funeral. Me and my brother. Let's be tough to crazy. He agreed to help us. In 2 days we lived alone in the house. Alone in the house. Open space. What's the fuck? Move day. The vampire. There, we saw someone running from the corpse. That was completely the blood. All the way back out there. I saw 5 coffins in there. Couple third.